Are you a beginner aiming to transform your body and enhance overall health? This video introduces the fundamental principles of simultaneously building muscle and losing fat. We will explore how to achieve these goals through effective strategies and key lifestyle changes. By understanding the basics, you can develop a solid foundation for your fitness journey. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in both building muscle and shedding fat. This segment delves into the critical significance of nutrition in achieving these fitness goals. We will explore the essential components of a balanced diet, emphasizing the roles of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats in fueling muscle growth and supporting the fat loss process. By understanding the impact of nutrition on body composition, you can make informed dietary choices to optimize your fitness journey. Crafting an effective workout plan is essential for achieving muscle growth and fat loss. This section focuses on guiding you through the process of creating a well-rounded workout regimen that incorporates both strength training and cardiovascular exercises. By combining these elements, you can stimulate muscle development while effectively burning excess body fat. Understanding how to structure your workouts will enable you to optimize your fitness routine and work towards your desired body transformation. Rest and recovery are integral components of the fitness journey, significantly impacting muscle growth and fat loss. This segment emphasizes the importance of allowing the body adequate rest and recovery time for optimal progress. Overtraining can have detrimental effects on your fitness goals, hindering muscle development and impeding fat loss. Understanding the role of rest and recovery in the process of body transformation is crucial for achieving sustainable results and maintaining overall well-being. Tracking your progress and adjusting your fitness goals are essential aspects of a successful body transformation journey. This segment highlights the importance of monitoring your development through measurements and assessments. By tracking your progress, you can gain valuable insights into the effectiveness of your fitness regimen. Additionally, learning how to adjust your goals based on your body's response is crucial for maximizing results and staying motivated throughout your transformation journey. Maintaining motivation and consistency throughout your fitness journey is key to achieving lasting results. This section delves into practical strategies for staying motivated and dedicated to your fitness goals. Emphasizing the significance of maintaining a positive mindset and establishing accountability, you'll discover how to overcome obstacles and stay committed to your transformation journey.